What's up guys, we're back here in the detail garage, Javier and I, and we still got this Chrysler 200. Now if you saw our previous video where we did a detailer versus detailer challenge using a dual action polisher against a rotary polisher, you saw that a rotary takes care of deep scratches and swirls faster and more precise than it would with the dual action polisher. Now Javier lost the challenge, so I'm going to teach him how to use a rotary polisher so in the future he can use it on his own vehicle or on other vehicles in the detail garage to get the professional results. Javier, you've got yourself the TORQ R rotary polisher. This is an awesome machine for correcting deep scratches and swirls as well as wet sanding marks to give your car that deep reflective glow. Now what we're going to do is we've already got an orange Hexlogic pad on there. This is a perfect pad for removing minor scratches and swirls which this car is covered in, and we're also going to be using V36 optical grade cutting polish. Now this is a great way to break down that paint and refine it back to a smooth finish. So what we're going to do is we're going to shake this up and then we're going to apply 5 dimes, 5 drops to our pad. Then spreading out in the low speed setting, we're going to go ahead and give it a nice coat. Then we can start moving on to the polishing steps. Perfect. So before you use any kind of polish on the vehicle, what you want to do is you want to spray the pad with pad conditioner. This helps to lubricate the pad to reduce friction, especially on a rotary where it creates a lot of heat. This is going to help reduce that so you don't burn the paint. So now that he's done dabbing it out, we can spread it out on the lowest speed setting. That's going to give you an even coat. This way the pad doesn't go dry on a certain area, which can create marring. And also, as you're working, you want to keep that pad as flat as possible. This way you don't create a hot spot, because on an angle, that's where you get an edge of marring or holograms that can damage the paint. So what we're going to do is we're going to spread it out, and then we'll move it up to the speed setting 3 to actually do our polishing. Uh-oh, that's a good thing too. So before you put the polisher on the vehicle, there's a couple different things between using a dual action polisher and a rotary polisher. With the dual action, you put your product on the vehicle and then place the machine on the vehicle, and that's when you turn it on. Now when you're using a rotary, you're going to turn it on off the vehicle and then place it on there, and then you're going to pull it off and then shut it off when you're done polishing, because this creates a ring or a micro scratch, which is really hard to polish out. It's very noticeable. So by gently placing it on the vehicle and then working away from it back and forth, you're going to blend that certain area in to get the perfect shine. Casting a wide net there, Javier.
What?
Casting a wide net.
Dude, this is fucking strong.
We're small sections.
Right, so what am I going to do now?
You're going to put it on speed setting 3.
Which is 1800?
Yeah. Let's do 15.
15?
Just so you can get the feel of it. Go for it.
I did horrible.
Let me just show you real quickly how I do it, okay? So we're going to turn the machine on, and then I'm going to place it on the vehicle on speed setting 3, and then I'm just going to let the power of the machine go, because you want to be nice and comfortable and relaxed when you're using a rotary. Think of this almost like an animal, where it can feel your nervousness or your stress, so if you're fighting it, it's going to fight you back. But by letting it just go and you're gently gliding it, you'll get the best results. So we're going to go right here in 15. We'll start right here, place it on the vehicle. No pressure. And we're going to cover 50% of the last pass, just so we don't get any tiger stripes. But it's constantly moving. check out those results. See how fast that was to get rid of those scratches and swirls? This is a nice deep reflective gloss here. You can see all those metallic flakes really popping in this red paint. Now over here it's clouded by all that scratches and swirls, which really takes away from the overall look. So now we need to move on to the other sections. In the meantime, you guys can head over to our website, chemicalguys.com. I'm not going to do that quite yet because I want to go over a couple more things, like the amount of pressure you put on these machines. As I mentioned earlier, you don't want to put any pressure down on this. You just want to let the weight of the machine actually carry it over the paintwork, because by applying too much pressure, you're actually creating heat, which can harm the paint. Now also you saw that even just by using one hand, all you're doing is guiding this. Keep the pad completely flat and centered. That'll get you best results. So now, head over to our website, chemicalguys.com, to check out this product for yourself. If you like this car, Javier, or this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time right here in the Detail Garage.